So homie got a 150, Honda 150 Supermoto. Bro, it feels good with Supermoto wheels. So what is up, gang? It's your boy Laws, aka MotoBroo. And as you can see, we on the two-stroke. And we got Snazzy. Alright, hop on. Hopefully the clutch handle, my clutch is, if you guys didn't know, my clutch is like, look bro, I'm all the way out right now. Oh my god, the clutch is so bad.
Race ride.
Woo! Let's go. Let's go, bro.
My life flashed before my eyes.
So homie got a 150, Honda 150 Supermoto. What size Supermoto wheels are these? Like 15 inch? 12 inch. Oh, so it's pretty much Grom wheels on a 150 dirt bike. Homie got the ramp, but he said, I don't need it. So you're saying you had a hard time getting it started?
Yes, sir.
That's that 150 life right there. Oh, we got a bar in the back too.
Oh, what?
Oh, it sounds like a...
Yo, at the other lot, I couldn't get it started.
And bro, it's a 150 life, bro. Alright. Come on, pit by God, dirt by God. Bless your boy.
It's like 150s after you started.
Yeah, we got it started, bro. Let's go. Should I just try to ride it? Let's go! She's alive! Oh no! Yeah, with Supermoto freaking wheels. This is gangster. Oh my god, she backfiring, dog. Woo! Bro, it feels good with Supermoto wheels. What's your Instagram?
Instagram, Lurk777.
You already know, he got the freaking both Supermoto edition. He said, I'm gonna take them dirt bikes and turn them into Supermotos, boy. Let's go! Bro, look at this 150, dog. It looks almost like a 110 with them wheels. Let's go! The 150's back. Yo, shout out the dirt bike gods. Let's see some work. Woohoo! Let's go. Big sport bike life right there. Yo! Let's go! Woo! It's been so long since I've been on the two-stroke, bro. Woo! You like the Supermoto wheels?
I love it.
Yeah, I was talking how I hate them.
Yeah, I know most people, they're like, oh no, they're heavy, but I'm like, yo. You know who was telling me that? Lowlife was telling me that. He's like, yo, they're so heavy, and I'm like, bro, on your profile pic, you're wheeling a Harley.
Right? Look at that, Supermoto 450F. Woo! That was in the sand, bro. Let's go. Okay. You hit the sand. Scary. Yeah. Holy crap, bro. We're on the freaking big 636. I ain't gonna lie, I'm starting to like these big bikes. Even though like there's so much room from me to the freaking gauge to see how fast I'm going. This is how you turn it off, right? Oh my gosh.
I see you getting cocky over there.
You say what?
I see you getting cocky.
I'm starting to get a little comfortable. Yes, sir. We're outside on that 150 Supermoto, boy. Let's go. Yeah, y'all said you want the Supermoto back, bro. We got a Supermoto 450 right here. Ooh, there it is. Oh, got a little sketchy right there, I ain't gonna lie. Homie also has a freaking 150 Supermoto, which is freaking badass. Say what? I was just saying, I was talking to the camera.
Oh, okay.
Let's go! 150 Supermoto gang! You look a lot more comfy on that thing, bro.
Yeah, this is where I kind of learned everything.
Yeah, it's perfect. Learn it on this and then transfer over.
This got more bucks than that. It's crazy.
Bro, this thing feels so good. I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't even gonna lie. You just gotta keep riding it, bro. Like the moment it turns off, it's like nah. Bro, just look at the size difference. To be honest, it really ain't that different, bro. They're like the same size, bro. I always thought sport bikes were way longer, but nah, they're like the same size. That's crazy. It definitely ain't the same width, I can tell you that, or the same weight. Hell no. Hey, how'd you hurt your arm? Oh, you're out riding? You broke your collarbone or your pinky? You lost your pinky.
Sliding on top of the bike, went to go throw myself off, felt the yank on my arm and picked up my head.
Did you see the pinky on the floor?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
My friend actually picked it up and gave it to
Dan. Alright, the two-stroke is feeling a little rough, I ain't gonna lie. That clutch is like, it's paper thin. Hopefully she lasts. Oh shit! I stalled her. Alright gang, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember, we have merch in the description down below. Shout out homie for letting me rep his 150 with the Supermoto wheels. That was flipping badass. It is bright as hell. But yeah, stay motivated. Till next time gang. Peace.